guys, what's happening? What's going on is I have ordered what I believe to be all the parts that I need to get the KTM running again, and some parts for this. The KTM, the electric start went out on it, and that's why I haven't been riding it. I couldn't figure out how to kickstart it, so I figured I would just get the electric start going again. So I ordered. Now the starter is working, like you can hit the button and hear it spinning, but it squirrels, but it won't catch and fire the motor up. So I'm thinking there's two sprockets or two gears, that one is on the electric starter itself, coming off of it on like a shaft, and then there's another one inside the motor, and I'm thinking that's what went bad. So I ordered both of those because I figure if one's screwed up, there's a good chance it screwed up the other one, even in the slightest bit. So while I'm in there, I'm going to replace both of them. I can't remember if I ordered new bearings for it or not. But I also got, what else did I get? Oh, I got the boot that's screwed up. There's a boot that's all dry rotted. I ordered a new one, coming from the air box to the motor. So I ordered that. There's like these little rubber deals on the rear brake, and one of those is messed up, so I ordered that. I don't know what else for it. I know I got a bunch of stuff because the parts weren't too expensive, but it was close to I think it was close to $300 for the parts that I ordered, like $250, something like that. And then for this, I decided that I'm going to add some gold accents to it. So I've got a new windscreen coming for it, which no, I didn't go gold. I went clear. Oh, water on the road. But I went clear, and it's a zero gravity, and it's the Moto GP style, so it's going to be a little bit taller than this one, but it'll offer more protection when I'm in a full tuck, and I'll be able to see through it. I've also got new chain and sprockets coming for it, because they're about due. This chain's starting to show some rust, and it's got a master link on it. I don't know why it's got a master link instead of being pushed, but whatever. I'm gonna put a push chain on here. I don't think I want to deal with a master link.
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
And then that is, I think it's a Vortex sprocket. I want to say it's a Vortex with a gold, I want to say either RK or DID chain. And yes, I got a gold chain. I've also got some steel braided brake lines coming that I ordered in all gold. I've got stands for this coming. I've got riding boots, street riding boots, because I've got my Alpine Star Tech 3s for the KTM, but I ordered some what is it? What brand is that? Sedici, I think is how you say it. S-I-D. Yeah, S-I-D-C-I, I want to say. So I've got those boots coming. I've got some Sedici gloves coming. Ordered my wife and daughter new helmets. Got them the same helmet I have, just different colors. My wife, which you guys know is Harley, hers is going to be gold and black, and it's kind of a Day of the Dead style theme. And I ordered her a gold visor like mine to go with it. And then our daughter, hers has a Day of the Dead theme kind of going too, but it's like pinks and blues. So I ordered her a blue mirror visor. And what else did I order? I ordered a fanny pack, because I don't like wearing backpacks, and the riding suit I want to get is going to have a speed hump on it. So I also don't want a backpack on top of a speed hump. So I've got that. Yeah, it's a... Now the suit that I designed, I designed another one. It's more simplistic, and I think it pops a little bit more and it'll look a little bit better, because the one I did design originally was gray with a bunch of black like highlight pieces, including the bat on the chest. But I decided, I was looking and playing around with some ideas, and ended up doing a all black with a coyote tan bat on the chest, because the fanny pack that I ordered is coyote tan, and it's a concealed carry pack, so there's a spot in there just for my guns. And then I've got, what else? I don't know. I ordered a bunch of stuff, and it's hard to keep track of everything I ordered. But I'm telling you this so you can know what to expect, because whenever I get a bunch of parts and stuff like that coming in, I do reviews and videos where I'm installing the parts. So expect those to be coming. And I've already done a review on this helmet, so I'm not going to review my wife and daughter's, because it's literally the same helmet, just different colors. But some of the other stuff I might review, because I'm pretty sure I got some other stuff